Hey, we wanted to do a video to talk to you and demonstrate our one-day flake system. And here's the Cliff Notes version of it. The one-day flake system involves prep of the concrete, our Poly 90 product, broadcast flake, and Poly 90 clear. And let me explain some things you'll need for this. We're going to coat this area with a flake coating, a full flake coating. It's our one-day system using Poly 90. Poly 90 is our very popular coating system. It's basically like truck bed liner for your floor. Very high performance, very low odor, low VOC, great work time and work life. So here's it. It comes in 2-gallon kits. It's a 1-to-1 mix ratio. It also comes in 10-gallon kits for your bigger floors and your people that applicate a lot. You can pigment it. It does come in clear, and then you can pigment it if you like. That's flake that we'll be broadcasting into it. Now this is just our small 5-pounder of flake. I mean, many people buy our 25-pound boxes of flake when they're doing floors. It's a vinyl paint chips is what it is. And you broadcast them into the floor. So we're going to be grinding this with a dry system, a dry grinder. This is an on-floor grinder. You can use our satellite pad and super glue to prep. We always say let your floor dry out a day if you're going to use a wet method to prep. And it is always best if you can profile it with a dry system and a metal bond tool. And what we mean by that, let me lift up this machine, is these are metal bond tools. They're metal. This, I believe, is a, I can't read it, Toby, but 25. 25. You know, a lot of people use anywhere from a 16 to a 30 grit. And so this machine, you know, spins, and then these heads actually turn the other way as it spins. It's a dry grinding system. It's a great way to do it. And it's hooked up to a Hepa vac. And that's important because you do not want concrete dust in the air. So Hepa is very important and one that pulsates. Otherwise, again, you could use our satellite pad and super glue to prep. The other thing is about this particular area, we have a crack running through the floor right here. This needs to be repaired. And to repair that, you use our Instant Medic Hard. Okay, Instant Medic Hard is just what it means. It's a 1-to-1. You mix it, you put it in the crack, dries really hard, really quick, and then you grind it flush. So it's a great repair product, and we'll go over that. You need to prep the crack with a brush. You can brush it out and then vac, or these Nylox brushes work good too, especially in bigger areas. But you need to prep that and vac it before you do that. So this is an introduction to the system, and we'll get started with prep here in a second in crack repair.